So you see the microwave over there, it's off, and I'm like pretty far away, but I'm gonna start walking towards the microwave. It's off, right? It's not working. And you're gonna see, that's wow. It says like if the AVG goes above 40, it's like really dangerous, very dangerous. But look, 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 and the microwave is, look, the microwave is off. So let's see if I turn, look, 300, look. Let's see if I turn the microwave on. Look at that. Oh man, look the lower number. So basically, that's the food that you're cooking right there with that kind of radiation and electromagnetic waves. Look at that. Wow, amazing, right?